We're gonna do the question and answer video because she's gonna leave soon. Ugh. I wish today was Saturday. Why can't it be Saturday?
Okay. So, we're gonna be answering questions you guys, the public, asked. Okay.
You do look goth.
Huh?
With your eyeliner.
I know, I look retarded. Okay. The first question. The first question. Do you like to eat the booty hot or cold?
You said cold.
Yeah, cold. Because it's like ice cream.
I say neither.
Yeah. Well, you kind of have to answer.
Because I don't eat booty, duh.
Well, duh, but like...
No.
You have to answer it.
I did answer it.
I will tickle you.
Fine. No.
Victoria?
Fine. Medium, like not too hot, not too cold.
So it's neutral. Okay.
Neutrality proclamation.
Do you even like booty?
No.
Well, I'm a girl, so no. Who is your dream bae from school? Julissa.
Christina.
No, my dream bae is Abraham. He's bae. Huh?
Because he's the one that asked that.
Yeah, so he can be bae. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would you live?
Paris. Actually, no, here. I like here.
I would live in New York because I already have my life planned in New York. What do you do if your ex... Yeah. Okay. What do you do if your ex-boyfriend wants you back, but you don't want him, but he makes you feel bad? Well, you kick his ass to the curb because if he's making you feel bad, then he don't deserve you.
Who asked that one?
Destiny.
Hole?
Yeah.
You gonna ask?
You have to answer.
I have no comment.
Okay. The next question. Is Michelle pretty? This is Michelle, my beautiful cousin.
Let me see.
It's not, wait. Oh, wait.
Let me see. Yes.
No, she's not pretty. She's freaking gorgeous. Okay. Will you ever break my heart and leave me for someone better? From William. I don't know.
Just don't answer that. Ugh.
You doesn't like William?
No, I do.
You don't want me with William?
No.
Yeah. Okay, go. The questions that people ask you.
Okay. What causes depression?
Well, I mean,
see? Why did we have to delete it? Because we made a big...
I mean, there's not a specific thing that causes it. It's just, like, it depends on the person because there's, like, if you've been going through a really tough time, like, your whole life, like, it all just builds up and builds up until your face. It just builds up. It'll just keep building up until, like, finally you break because everyone has their breaking point. Dude, Victoria, you did my eyeliner so bad.
I can't do it on other people.
I'm gonna say...
There's no really answer to that. I'm sorry, like,
what I thought?
if you're looking for the answer, but there's just no answer. It just comes up, you know? It just, like...
I'm gonna take my selfie like this so you can see.
It just depends on your type of personality.
Oh my god, look at my selfie and look at one of my followers. She takes selfies like that and I look like her.
What do you think of self-harm, or why do people do it?
Oh, that one's...
I don't like it.
Well...
And why do people do it?
I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I self-harmed. Yeah, past tense. Okay.
And why do people do it? Because they're depressed.
What do I think of it? Well... I mean, I'm not gonna say it's like a really bad or stupid or whatever. Like, it may be, but that's
to you,
people's opinion, yeah.
It's your opinion.
Since I did it, like, I can't say. But in my opinion, what it is, it doesn't help your problem. It just creates a
relieves.
different problem.
It relieves whatever you are.
But it creates a different problem. Because, like, instead of, like, it takes your mind off what made you do that and makes you focus on you self-harming.
It relieves your tension.
Yeah, I guess.
And
why do people do that? Well, I don't know.
Why do people do it? They're just depressed.
And people, like I said, they have their breaking points that cause them to do stuff.
But you don't have any more questions?
Oh, I'll ask someone.
I'd make you a grilled cheese at 2 a.m.
That sounds kind of gross.
A grilled cheese sandwich.
Oh, I have an English call. It's nice.
From who?
Who do you think?
Ugh.
Oh my god, did you seriously just ask me why?
What?
We need questions.
Wait, who?
Why? Oh, I don't know. Because I want to. My brother got detention last week because his school sent out faculty and student wide email saying that they bring you cookies back into the cafeteria instead of just sending an email to his friends. He accidentally applied to the original emails of the entires. How funny.
It reminds me of me. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty.
Okay, so we're gonna have more questions asked soon. Oh shit.
It scared me! Jeez! It just showed up! I thought that was a vine at first. I was like, what?
I thought he was gonna yell, but
Not you!
okay.
I'm gonna make fun of you for that now.
William. Hold on, I'm gonna put the volume up. Why are you frozen? No, you're frozen.
Would your little brother and sister do that?
No, you're frozen. Aww.
I feel like
Frozen, like, you know what frozen means? Like, when it's stuck and, like, nothing moves? Yeah.
I feel like Kiki and your little sister would do that.
No, I wouldn't be. You're frozen. You're stuck in one. No.
He's taken.
You're stuck in one position. Ah, darn. Callum Hunt, why does he have to be taken? How many chips? Meanwhile. No.
No.
Oh,
When I saw teacher, I thought of Mr. Gillis, but then I read it and it was like, oh no. No, no, no.
Oh my god. Smile, my love. Okay. Okay.
I need this.
So now, questions for William. Oh, someone just texted me.
Look who it is.
So I know you saw who it was. Okay, William.
Out, Mom.
Oh, well, dude, he looks so perfect.
You should do that thing, like remember in the YouTube video?
Oh, I should have said that. I'm William's girlfriend.
Will.
Okay. What the heck is wrong with my hair? Okay. William, ask us questions.
Yeah.
Like what?
You just ask us anything.
I don't know.
Oh, her dog.
Blanket!
Oh shit.
Ask us questions.
Blanket! Stop!
Oh wait, I need to tell you something.
Oh, what do you need to tell me?
Oh my god!
Okay. Hold on.
I'm
Your
alone.
screen's moving slowly. I can't see you. Now it's frozen.
I'm alone. Ask
Where'd you
Huh? Can you see me? William. Now you're frozen. What happened?
What?
What happened to your dog?
It wasn't my dog.
Oh.
But it was I think the neighbor's dog got abused or something.
Dude, you should call the freaking animal abuse place.
Where's William?
Oh, he said he needed to tell me something, and then we both froze, and so I hung up.
Oh, are you on Skype?
Because the video's so clear.
It reminds me of like...
I know, I'm friended.
Are they stale?
Kind of.
I tasted it.
Okay. So, while we're fixing these technical difficulties, I will...
It's at 10 minutes.
Oh shit, you just posted it then.
I'll wait till 11.
Huh?
I'll wait till 11 minutes. Do this and kiss.